Hello everyone, welcome back to our new video. In this video, I will give you more information about the top 5 best leather welding jackets that are available on the market. Actually, I try to make popularity, quality, price, durability, user opinion and more. If you need more information about this products, please check the link description section below. Don't forget subscribe this channel for view future videos. Let's starts this videos. Starting at number 5, we have Leather Welding Jacket by Keylink. This is a blend of performance and style. The leather welding jacket has high-quality construction and is composed of flame-resistant cotton. This offers excellent protection from sparks, heat, and spatter and lets you stay cool with the breathable back. Furthermore, it includes multiple pockets where you can easily keep your tools. Moreover, this is available in a multifunctional design and can be suitable for different professionals. The product comes in an eye-catching design and can be perfect for reducing your worries. Additionally, it has strong stitching and features an adjustable collar. It offers optimal performance and allows you to select from different sizes. This does not disappoint you when it comes to performance and is a high-quality product. Moving on at number 4, we have Black Stallion Leather Welding Jacket. This leather welding jacket comes in a highly functional design as it can protect from multiple elements. The product makes sure there will be a perfect fit as it is available in 3 different sizes. Moreover, it comes with satin-lined shoulders that allow you to put on and take it off hassle-free. This also comes with adjustable waist snaps, and you can have better convenience with the multiple pockets. Furthermore, it allows you to make a wide range of movement as it comes with gusseted underarms. It offers you 2 snap options with the stand-up welder collar. Additionally, it has high-quality construction so that there will be improved durability. It offers heavy-duty protection and can be suitable for different applications. At number 3, we have Gottega Welding Jacket Leather. The high-quality construction of this leather welding jacket will let you use it for a long time. This is made of cowhide split leather and comes with better ergonomics. Furthermore, it lets you have better comfort and can protect from multiple elements. This is resistant to wear, flame, and scald and makes sure there will be wide coverage from your upper neck to the knees. Moreover, this comes in an apron style and has a Velcro design so that there will be an optimal fit. It lets you wear it comfortably as it features 2 buckles on the back side. Additionally, the product comes in a multifunctional design as you can easily use it for a wide range of applications. It offers you multiple advantages and does not restrict your movement. At number 2, we have Lincoln Leather Sleeved Welding Jacket. The leather welding jacket is composed of high-quality split cowhide fabric and offers optimal protection from heat and sparks. This lets you have better comfort and ensures there will be free movement of your arm. Moreover, it is exceptionally durable and comes with flame retardant ability. It is also resistant to mildew and offers optimal protection with an anti-static coating. Furthermore, the product has a flip-up collar that can also protect your neck from various elements. In this, you will also find adjustable cuffs that can be ideal for forearm and wrist protection. Additionally, this includes an internal storage pocket so that there will be user convenience. It can be ideal for professionals and is in a versatile design. And finally at number 1. Westchester Split Cowhide Leather Jacket. This one comes in 3 different sizes and can be perfect welding apparel. The leather welding jacket includes multiple properties that can protect you from spatter and spark. It is resistant to heat and can be perfect for automotive shipyards, steel mills, and gas welding. Furthermore, the product is composed of high-quality cowhide leather and lets you use it for a long time. You can also use it as a safety jacket and make the maximum out of it. Moreover, it features a pocket on the hip side, along with a storage pocket on each sleeve. This comes with gusseted underarms so that there will be a secure fit. Additionally, it offers you better comfort, and you can easily adjust the wrists to have better safety. Thank you for watching guys, I hope you like this video. If this video helped for you, please make sure like, comment and subscribe. If you have any question related this product, you can leave a comment down below. I hope back to you as soon as possible.